How to use a Halifax card on your phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can use your Halifax card from your phone to pay for things. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. To get started, head over to your application Google Wallet and open it. And make sure that you are logged into your Google Wallet account. On this page, you can see Add a Card option on your top page. Simply tap onto Add a Card. Here you have to add your card number manually. Add your card number, your year, and your security code. Once you do so, if your card is correct, it will say that your card is ready to tap to pay. It also says that your card is also saved to your Google account so that you can pay online across Google or everywhere. Google Pay is also accepted. Now all you have to do is tap on to got it and get started. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.